Rights group Lawyers for Liberty has blamed the government for the deaths of fleeing Rohingya detainees and questioned why they were detained in the first place. Following yesterday's breakout from a detention center in Kedah, LFL Chief Coordinator Zaid Malek also called for the release of all other refugees and asylum seekers from such centers to avoid calamity from happening again. The blood of the Rohingya who died while on the run, which included at least 2 children, is on the government's hands, he said in a statement. 6 of the 528 Rohingya detainees who fled from the immigration detention center died in a road accident while making their escape. Zaid said there was no reason to cram refugees in makeshift detention centers because they could not be deported due to the principle of non-refoulement. This principle, which prohibits individuals from being returned to a country where they would face torture, cruel, inhuman or degrading treatment and punishment, makes it impossible for the Rohingya to be sent back to their country, unless the government wishes to run afoul of international law, he said. He said that under the Immigration Act 1959 or 63, detainees could only be kept for a period necessary to make arrangements for their removal. The law does not allow for indefinite detention at immigration depots, as would be the case for the Rohingya. Having been elected to the United Nations Human Rights Council, Malaysia should have complied with international norms and standards, he said.